Hello, my friends. The catastrophic accidents have captured the world's attention, sparking lively discussions about traffic safety and infrastructure. Join us to gain valuable insights into traffic safety and embrace practical lessons to help you travel more safely on every road.
A white car speeds recklessly down the road, weaving through traffic. It crashes into a bike, sending the rider flying and crashing hard onto the ground.
While inspecting a pickup truck at a station, a hydraulic jack failed, causing the vehicle to overturn. Fortunately, all workers escaped in time and no one was injured. On the sidewalk in Dubrava while intoxicated, crashing into several parked cars. This is a dangerous example of drunk driving.
A gray car hurtles down the road at an uncontrollable speed, swerving dangerously. The driver loses grip as the vehicle skids toward the edge of the street. With a deafening crash, it slams into a roadside pole, crumpling the front end. Smoke rises from the engine as debris scatters across the pavement. A large truck approaches a sharp turn on a narrow, winding road with little room to maneuver. The driver struggles to control the vehicle, but the tight space makes it nearly impossible. The truck tips and crashes violently into the roadside, smashing through the barrier. Dust and debris fill the air as the truck comes to a halt, tilted and damaged. A small fire suddenly ignites at a petrol pump station, causing panic among bystanders. Flames flicker near the fuel dispensers, threatening to grow rapidly. Quick-thinking workers rush in with fire extinguishers, battling the blaze without hesitation. Within moments, the fire is contained, and disaster is narrowly averted. A bus loses control while exiting the repair pool area and speeds straight ahead. Without warning, it crashes through the safety barrier and plunges into the nearby river. Water splashes high as the vehicle sinks partially, tilting dangerously to one side. People nearby rush to help, shouting as they try to rescue passengers trapped inside.
A reckless truck driver caused a catastrophic accident in Al Madinah, leading to serious consequences. On-site footage reveals the driver speeding without braking before crashing into parked vehicles. This guy has significant issues controlling his temper, driving a semi-truck.
While moving at speed, the truck's back wheels suddenly detach and roll away uncontrollably. The truck jolts violently, swerving as sparks fly from the exposed axle.
A high-speed vehicle collided with two other cars at an intersection, resulting in a serious accident. Drive safely and avoid sudden speed reductions if you don't want something like this to happen. A vehicle suddenly slowed down and collided with the car behind it.
A white car speeds recklessly down the road, weaving through traffic without control. Suddenly, it slams into another white car from the side with a loud, crunching impact. Both vehicles spin from the force, leaving shattered glass and debris scattered across the road. Drivers and bystanders rush toward the scene, shocked by the violent crash.
This video shows the consequences of careless driving and failure to follow traffic safety rules. A car switched lanes at high speed without proper observation, leading to a collision with a container truck and causing a serious accident. Drivers should always check their surroundings and slow down when changing lanes.
A loaded truck moves slowly down the worn-out road, its tires strained under the heavy weight. Suddenly, the rear wheels sink into a deep pothole, hidden beneath the surface. The vehicle jerks to a halt, tilting slightly as the load shifts dangerously. Traffic begins to pile up behind as the driver steps out, assessing the stuck wheels.
A car lost control and crashed head-on into an oncoming truck, creating a terrifying collision. Wishing the driver safety and hope they learn a valuable lesson from this accident.
Amid heavy snowfall and near-zero visibility, trucks struggle to maintain distance on the icy road. One truck suddenly skids and halts, causing a chain reaction of rear-end collisions. Each vehicle crashes into the next, metal crunching and tires screeching in the chaos. Snow blankets the scene as drivers step out cautiously, surveying the pileup in silence.
A Tesla Model S operating in autopilot mode crashed into a convention center at high speed. Thankfully, no one was injured in the accident. A bridge with a low clearance has caused multiple accidents, as taller trucks cannot pass through it without colliding.
A car suddenly plummets from a hilly slope, tumbling down at high speed. It crashes violently onto the road in front of another vehicle, catching everyone off guard. The impact shatters the car into pieces, with debris flying in all directions. Dust and metal fill the air as stunned bystanders rush toward the wreckage.
On the Moscow Ring Road, a truck lost control and crashed into a wall, causing severe damage. It's a sigh of relief to hope the driver is still safe.
A heavily loaded truck struggles to move on a muddy, uneven road, its tires spinning helplessly. The thick sludge clings to the wheels, making it nearly impossible to gain traction. The engine roars as the driver tries to push forward, but the truck slips and sways. Mud splashes everywhere while nearby workers attempt to guide it back onto solid ground.